Is bookkeeping starting to get too overwhelming for you to handle on your own for your business? Here's a couple of tips that you may want to incorporate with your bookkeeping to make sure that you're doing the things that you need to do to stay compliant with the Canada Revenue Agency. First of all, making sure that you file your taxes regularly is important. Making sure that you do your regular bookkeeping is also important too. For the most part, a lot of e-transfers get sent on a daily or even weekly basis. And sometimes what the purpose of those transactions and those e-transfers were for are sometimes get lost in the shuffle. So what do? Make sure that you do your regular bookkeeping to ensure that you inform your accountant what those e-transfers are so that you can make sure that they're classified properly so that you get the proper write-off. I would suggest a monthly or even quarterly basis is a proper amount of time to make sure that you continue to do your regular bookkeeping. The second thing that you should note is that you shouldn't mix your business expenses with your personal expenses and your personal expenses with your business expenses. This could lead to a dividend on your personal taxes and additional taxes assessed on your personal taxes. The next thing you should do is that you should issue yourself a dividend for any money that you've withdrawn from your business in excess of what you contributed. The CRA will make sure that they look for your T5 dividend if you have 2 successive years of having this amount of money in a receivable position with your corporation. This will enable you to make sure that you don't have any errors with the bank information and the financial statement information that's being prepared. This will make sure that you will have no errors in the bank statement information and the financial statement information that's being prepared for the CRA and for your corporate taxes. If you found this information useful, click the link in my bio, take a survey so I can find out more about you and how to fulfill your needs for a tax and accounting strategy meeting. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.